Hello everyone, let's learn Malay by just watching. Today we are going to chapter 42. I'm going to explain about class 8 verbs. Chapter 42 or bab 42. Verbs. Class 8 verbs. These verbs take the prefix ber and the suffix an. They are of two categories. The first category verbs indicate a sense of continuity in the act and sometimes with a sense of plurality as well. Examples: berterbangan, to fly about, from the word terbang, fly. So berterbangan, flying continuously or flying with another thing. Berkejaran, to chase about. Berpanjangan, to go on. Bergelimpangan, to be sprawl. Berkeliaran, to roam about. Bertaburan, to scatter about. Berciciran, to drop about. Berterusan, to go on unceasingly. Berlompatan, to jump about. Bercakaran, to be at loggerheads. Berdampingan, to be in close touch. Berkekalan, to last. Examples in sentences. Surat-surat di atas meja habis berterbangan. All letters on the table were blown away. Adalah diharapkan persahabatan kita akan berpanjangan. It is hoped that our friendship will last. Mayat manusia bergelimpangan di medan perang. Corpses strewed the battlefield. Kanak-kanak itu berlompatan dengan gembira kerana mereka mendapat cuti sehari esok. The children jumped out or in groups with joy because they have been given a holiday tomorrow. Kita tidak akan berjaya dalam perjuangan jika kita bercakaran sesama sendiri. We shall not succeed in our fight if we are at loggerheads with one another. Sesama sendiri also means each other or among ourselves. Pada waktu malam, binatang liar berkeliaran di dalam taman itu. At night, wild animals roam the park. The second category has the root reduplicated, and these verbs indicate reciprocal action with a sense of repetition or intensity. Examples: berpukul-pukulan, to beat each other repeatedly. Bercium-ciuman, to kiss each other many times. Bertangis-tangisan, to weep for one another with intensity. Berkasih-kasihan, to love each other intensely. Bersalam-salaman, to shake hands with many people. Bermusuh-musuhan, to be at enmity. Bertolong-tolongan, to help each other. Bertembak-tembakan, to shoot at one another repeatedly. Examples in sentences. Pekerja ladang itu berpukul-pukulan kerana seekor lembu. The estate workers fought or hit each other because of a cow. Pelajar-pelajar itu bercium-ciuman dengan ibu bapa dan sanak saudara sebelum naik kapal terbang. The students and their parents and relatives were kissing one another before entering the plane. Dua buah negara itu telah bermusuh-musuhan selama hampir 20 tahun. The two countries have been at enmity with each other for almost 20 years. Pasukan keselamatan kita telah bertembak-tembakan dengan penjahat-penjahat di tepi hutan itu. Our security forces and the terrorists were exchanging fire at the fringe of the jungle. Terrorist also means pengganas. Words to remember. Nouns: anak ayam, chicks. Bekalan, provisions. Bintang, star. Bunyi, sound. Celah, crevice. Cuaca, weather. Danau, pool. Gagak, crow. Keluang, flying fox. Keping kertas, bit of paper. Burung hantu, owl. Langit, sky. Penonton, spectators. Penyamun, robber. Pondok, hut. Rimba, jungle. Sentul, a jungle fruit. Stesen, station. Syarikat, company. Tempat bersembunyi, hiding place. Berkelip-kelipan, to twinkle. Menuju, to go towards. Bermalam, to spend the night. Merebahkan diri, to lie down. Bersahut-sahutan, calling. Terlena, to be fast asleep. Mengerak, to call. Berpusu-pusu, surging forward. Lebat, plentiful. For rain or fruits on the tree. Letih, tired. Pula, again or then. Agak, rather. Di sekeliling, around. Pondok di tengah hutan. A hut in the middle of the jungle. Hutan means jungle or forest. Di tepi danau di tengah hutan itu ada sebuah pondok. There is a hut beside the pool in the middle of the jungle. Di situlah kami bermalam. There where we spend our night. Cuaca malam itu agak baik. The weather of that night quite good. Bintang di langit berkelip-kelipan. Stars in the sky twinkling. Setelah kami makan bekalan yang kami bawa itu, kami pun merebahkan diri. After we eat the provision that we brought before, we lie down. Sebentar kemudian, not long after that, kami dengar binatang-binatang hutan berlari-larian dan berkejar-kejaran di luar pondok menuju ke danau itu. We heard the jungle animals running and chasing each other outside the hut towards the pool. Apabila kami melihat binatang-binatang tersebut dari celah-celah dinding pondok itu, when we saw those animals from crevice of the hut wall, kami nampak binatang-binatang itu berpusu-pusu menuju ke danau itu. We saw those animals surging forward to the pool. Mereka minum air di situ. They, the animals, drink water there. Anak-anak binatang berlompat-lompatan di sekeliling ibu mereka. The animal younglings jump around their mother. Apabila kami memandang ke atas pula, kami nampak banyak keluang berterbangan di sekeliling sebatang pokok sentul yang sedang lebat buahnya. When we look up, we saw many firefox fly around a sentul tree which got plentiful of fruits. Jauh di tengah rimba, far in the middle of the jungle, kami dengar pula, then we heard, bunyi burung hantu bersahut-sahutan. The owl sounds calling each other. Burung hantu is owl here. Burung hantu. Burung means bird. Hantu, ghost. Burung hantu, owl. Kami berasa sangat takut. We felt so scared. Tetapi oleh kerana tersangat letih, but because of we are too tired, kami pun terlena. We fell asleep. Exercise, latihan. 1. The fruits which he was carrying fell in the street. Buah-buahan yang dibawanya berciciran di jalan. 2. The two companies are always in close touch. Dua buah syarikat itu sentiasa berdampingan. 3. Our friendship will last. Persahabatan kita akan berkekalan. 4. After the show, the spectators roam about in the town. Selepas pertunjukan itu, penonton-penonton berkeliaran di dalam pekan. 5. Bits of tickets are scattered in the station. Kepingan-kepingan tiket bertaburan di dalam stesen itu. 6. When they met, they shook hands. Apabila mereka berjumpa, mereka bersalam-salaman. 7. They love each other like lovers in the storybooks. Mereka berkasih-kasihan seperti sepasang kekasih dalam buku-buku cerita. 8. The police and the robbers exchange fire for an hour. Polis dan perompak bertembak-tembakan selama sejam. 9. When the chickens heard the crow call, they ran away to their hiding place. Apabila anak-anak ayam itu mendengar burung gagak mengerak, mereka berlarian mencari tempat bersembunyi. 10. The people in the village are always helping one another. Orang-orang di kampung itu sentiasa bertolong-tolongan. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.